Welcome to my tutorial on using the Mockito framework for unit testing in Java. Mockito is a popular mocking framework in Java used for creating mock objects and testing code in isolation. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of how to use Mockito with some examples. Let's get started with installing Mockito. You can add the following dependency in your Maven or Gradle project to include Mockito in your project. Now that we have set up our project with Mockito, let's move on to creating our first unit test with Mockito. Here is an example of using Mockito to mock an object and test its behavior. In this example, we create a mock object of the Miklis class using Mockito mock. We then set an expectation on the mock object using Mockito when to return a fixed value for a method call. Finally, we run the test and verify the result using assert equals. In addition to mocking, Mockito also provides several other features for testing, such as mocking void methods, verifying mock invocations, and more. You can find more examples and documentation on the official Mockito website. Thanks for watching and happy coding!